Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is the same lesson we studied yesterday, which is lesson 27, areas of circle and sector. Today we are going to continue our lesson. Let's start with the first rule of this part. We studied before how to find the area of the sector, and we said that area of the sector equal measure of the arc related to this sector over 360 times area of the circle. Today we are going to learn how to find the area of segment of a circle. First, we need to know what is the meaning of segment of a circle. A part of a circle bounded by an arc and the segment joining its end point is a segment of circle. Here we have a line segment here. Okay, this part bounded or included between the arc and the line segment is called segment of the circle, this part. Today we are going to learn how to find the area of the segment. To find the area of the segment for a minor arc, draw radii to form a sector, like that. Draw radii to form a sector. This is sector. The area of the segment equals the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle form. So again, if we have a segment like that, you have to draw radii. So you have a triangle and sector. Make area of sector minus area of triangle will be area of the segment. Let's see the first exercise to understand this well. So again, area of the segment equal area of the triangle and the area of the sector. Make area of sector minus area of triangle. You will get area of the segment. Example number 1. Here, find the area of the segment. What is the area of the shaded segment? I need to find the area of this segment. First, we need to find the area of this sector. Sector A, C, B. This sector. How we can find the area of the sector? As we studied yesterday, area of the sector is measure of the arc of this sector over 360 times area of the circle. So let's use this rule here. First, we need to find area of the circle first. Area of the circle equals pi r squared. And here already we have r, the radius is 18. So it will be equals pi times 18 to the power of 2. So the answer, let's find 18 to the power of 2. 18 to the power of 2, 324. So 324 and right beside it pi. This is the area of the circle. Area of sector ACB. Sector ACB equals measure of the arc AB. Measure of the arc AB. The arc AB, its measure is 60. So 60 over 360 fixed times area of the circle, which is to 324 pi. Find the final answer by using calculator. Make 60 over 360 times 324. It will be 54 pi. 54 by. This is the area of the sector. Now we need to find area of the triangle. Area of triangle ACB. Area of triangle has two rules. Half times base times height, if you have base and height, or half times the product of two sides, S1 times S2, and the sine included angle between them. Here in this triangle, we don't have a right angle. So we can use the rule of sine. It's better to use the rule of sine. This side is 18, CB. And also this side is 18 because they are two radii. And the radii are equal in the triangle. So I have two sides here and the included angle between them, angle 60. And we have included angle between them. So it will be half times the side CB times side CA times sine angle C, the angle included between them. So it will be half times CB is 18 times CA is also 18 times sine C means sine 60. So let's find the answer by using our calculator. Half times 18 times 18 again times sine 60. So the final answer is 81 square root 3. 81 square root 3. Now we have the area of triangle. And also we have the area of the sector. So make them minus to find the area of the segment. How come? It will be area of the sector minus area of triangle. 54 by minus 81 square root 3. So the area here, area of the segment, area of segment AB equals 54 by minus 81 square root 3. You can substitute by 22 over 7 or 3.14. Let's try 22 over 7 to find the final answer. 54 times 22 over 7 minus 81 square root 3. The final answer will be like that. So let's find each one individual like that. 54 times 22 over 7. So keep it like that, no problem. Don't substitute by. You can keep it like that if the answer is so big. But here he need to round the answer to the nearest 10. So we have to find it. 54, you can like that shift. This by minus 81 square root 3. The answer is 29.3. The answer is 29.3. equal approximately 29.3. Okay, let's solve another exercise about this problem. What is the area of the shaded segment? Here we need to find the area of this segment. So we need to find area of the sector, PQR, number one, and area of the triangle, PQR also, and make minus. Let's find area of sector, area of sector PQR equals area of the sector is area measure of the angle of this sector, measure of the arc of this sector, which is 90, the arc of this sector, which is BR. Its measure is 90 over 360, 90 over 360 times area of the circle, which is by r squared. So it will be by times our radius is 4 power 2. 90 is measure of the arc BR over 360 times pi times radius power 2, which is r 4 power 2. Let's find it first. 90 over 360 times 4 power 2. The final answer is 4. Don't forget pi. So the area of the sector is 4 pi. After that, let's find the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. Here a triangle have right angle, so I can use the rule half times base times height. Half times base times height, because I already have a right angle here. This side is 4 and also this side is 4 because they are two radii. QP is 4, so QR also is 4. So this is the base and the height. It will be half times 4 times 4. The answer is 8. Now we have area of sector and area of triangle. So to find the area of the segment, make minus area of segment PQR equals segment PQR, make minus area of the sector, which is 4 pi minus 8. So we need to answer to the nearest term. So 4 shift by this by minus 8, 4.6, because 6 is strong. 4.6 equal approximately 4.6. Another exercise. Find the area of the shaded segment. Here we have a segment. I need to find its area. This segment. Find the area of the sector first. Area of sector equals area of the sector equals measure of the arc of this sector, which is 120. This is the arc of the sector, 120 over 360 times 2 by r squared by r is 6 power 2. So equals 120 over 360 times 6 power 2. The final answer is 12. Don't forget pi. This is the area of the sector. After that, find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. If you have right angle, you can use half times base times height. If you don't have, you can use half times sine, the rule of the sine. Here we don't have any right angle in this triangle. So we are going to use half times two sides. This first side is 6, and also the second side is 6. So half times 6 times 6 times sine the included angle. The included angle here is like the arc. Sine 120. Because the measure of the arc is 120, so also the central angle is 120. Equals half times 6 times 6 times sine 120. 9 square root 3. 9 square root 3. Now the final step is area of the sector. Sorry, area of the segment equals 12 pi minus 9 square root 3. So 12 by shift this sign minus 9 square root 3 equal approximately 22.1. 22.1. Another exercise. Find the area of the shaded segment. I need to find this shaded segment. So step number 1, we need to find area of the sector first. Equals area of the sector equals measure of the arc of this sector. The arc, this arc, its measure is 90 because this angle is 90. So 90 over 360 times pi r squared by r here is 8. 8 power 2. So the answer is 90 over 360 times 8 power 2. 16, and don't forget pi. After that, find area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equals, I need to find area of this triangle. This triangle. We already have right angle, so I will use the rule half base height. Half times base times height. This side is 8, and also this side is 8 because they are two radii. So it will be half times 8 times 8. It will be 32. Now, the last step, area of the segment equals, make the two sides, make area of sector minus area of the triangle, like that. 16 pi minus 32, it will be 16 pi minus 32, approximately 18.3. 2 will be 3 because it has 6 before that. 6 is strong. So the answer is 18.3. We finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment and study the rule well. Have a nice day. Thank you.